In this video, I will show you how to make small letters to capital case in Word document. So in the Home tab, guys, here is the option Cache Changes. So uppercase, make sure firstly you have to select them, then make changes. There are five options: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. So set as you need. Thanks for watching.